time to build a computer. I've been away for quite some time now, and I apologize for that. I've been real busy doing school. Ooh. As you can see, I already installed the CPU because I'm not reinstalling that. I'm not taking that out and putting it back in. Nuh-uh. But there's the Ryzen 1700. Where's the box? Ryzen 1700. Now we gotta install some things. Got some RAM. DDR4, 16GB sticks, 2.8. Let's go. Got some black RAM, low profile. These are heavy. And they feel nice also. They don't feel cheap like all the other RAMs I've touched. I'm gonna press it in there till it clicks. Click clack. It's then good. There we go. Push it in. There we go. RAM installed. Let's go get the next piece of hardware. SSD. For this we gotta ground tools. Oh my. Nothing bad happened. I didn't almost just drop my computer. Nah. It's all good. Oh, mamma mia. It looks like a spaghetti everywhere. As you can see, got my random hard drive in there. I'm gonna put on this SSD and just slap it in there. Yep. Let's take our data cable, plug it into there. Let's take our power cable, plug it into there. There we go. SSD finished. People say that it's kind of difficult to build a computer, but I disagree with that. It's because I don't have an internet connection. I don't have a router in my room. We're gonna need some Wi-Fi card. Let's go ahead and open it. Wi-Fi card, Wi-Fi sticks. This wasn't the second one, I'm pretty sure. Screw it on. Antennae are installed. Now I need the most expensive thing of this company. Ooh, the graphics card. GeForce 1060, GTX 1060, 6GB. Look at that. Has 2 fans. It's red on it. Don't really care. Let's go install it.
By day and night by night.
There we go. Now I just gotta plug in the power cable. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I can just pull everything up and boot it up. Here we are back in my room, and we're just gonna plug everything in and hope it works. Let's see if I'm plugging it in. On the power supply. Oh, mama. We got some flickering lights. Should I press the power button? Oh, mama. Focus. Focus. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is anything going on up here? Hello, computer. Okay, something's happening. Oh, the keyboard. Oh, it's working. I thought I did something wrong. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Christ, please work. Oh, my Jesus Christ. Oh, it's Jesus Christ, it's Synthwave. Okay. Hey, who is that? That is me. There you go. Let's enter the password. Welcome. You're right. Oh, Mama Jesus. So what does this mean? I have a computer. A good computer. Well, it means I can do cool things like better video making, faster video making, live streaming. Oh boy, this computer is gonna be the change of this channel.